Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
First of all, I would like to thank Sir Tamrin and all my friends. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nurul Aziza, and here I will present about adjustment journal in manufacturing companies used physical method. Okay, what is adjustment journal? An adjustment journal is a transaction recording at the end of an accounting period to adjust the accounts to reflect the actual situation. In physical method manufacturing companies, adjustment journal focus on inventory, raw material, work in process, and finished goods, which is calculated through physical stock taking. Okay. And when is the adjusting journal created? Adjusting journal are made at the end of the accounting period before the financial statements are prepared, usually at the end of each month, end of quarter, or in the end of year. The purpose is to ensure that all revenue and expenses are recorded in the correct period, ensuring that the financial statements are accurate and in accordance with accounting principles. Okay. What accounts need to be adjusted? In a manufacturing company's adjustment journal, adjusting focus on account direct relate to the cost of goods manufacturing, or COGS, which are divided into two categories. The first category is special adjustment account, or three inventories. There is raw material inventory, work in process inventory, and finished goods inventory. And the second category is general adjustment account. In addition to the three inventory accounts, manufacturing companies must also adjust other general accounts to comply with the accrual principles, such as fixed asset depreciation, accrued expense, prepaid expense, and the last one, purchase account. Why are adjusting journal important? The first, separating production cost from operational COGS cost. Adjustment journal have dividend costs into two, namely, used to make product are included in the cost of goods sold and sales or office costs are included in operating costs. And the second, present accurate ending inventory values in the balance sheet. Adjusting journal serves to correct the asset value of three types of inventory: raw material, work in process, and finished goods in the balance sheet, and ensure that the listed value in the actual ending balance. And the last one, recorded expenses on time. Adjusting journal record revenues and expense exactly when they occur, not when the cash is received or paid. And how to prepare adjusting journal entries? The first stage, prepare a trial balance before adjustment. The second one, analyze each account. And here, identify and record adjustment such as raw material, work in process, finished goods inventories, and as well as supplies and materials usage. Number 4, compare the physical inventory to the record balance. Then, prepare adjusting entries based on any differences. And the last one, post the adjusting entries to the general ledger. Okay, example of adjusting journal. It is known that inventory and purchasing data for PT Gasing Group is as follows. In the section account, raw material inventory at the beginning balance before adjustment of 5 million rupiah, at the ending balance physical count result of 7 million rupiah. And work in process inventory at the beginning balance before adjustment of 3 million rupiah, and at the ending balance physical count result of 4 million rupiah. And finished goods in finished goods inventory at the beginning balance before adjustment of 10 million rupiah, at the ending balance physical count result of 8 million rupiah. Other account to be closed, there is raw material purchase at the beginning balance before adjustment of 50 million rupiah. Okay, can you see here? This is an example of the first adjustment journal. Close beginning inventory balance and purchase account. At the date on December 31st, description income summary on debit of 68 million rupiah. Raw material inventory beginning on credit of 5 million rupiah. Work in process inventory beginning on credit of 3 million rupiah. And finished goods inventory on credit of 10 million rupiah, and raw material purchase on credit of 50 million rupiah. And the second, record ending inventory balance at the date on December 31st. Description, raw material inventory on debit of 7 million rupiah, work in process inventory on debit of 4 million rupiah, finished goods inventory on debit of 8 million rupiah, and income summary on credit of 19 million rupiah. Okay, the last slide, vocabulary. Cost of goods manufactured or COGS is the total direct cost incurred to produce goods of service that have been sold during a certain period. Then raw material inventory is raw material purchased by manufacturing companies to be processed into finished product. Then work in process inventory is goods that have entered the production process but are not yet finished and ready for sale at the end of the accounting period. And the last one, finished goods inventory, is the final product that has been completed and is ready for sale. Okay, now we're going into the discussion session. Any question, guys? Please raise your hand. Any question? Okay, please do it.
Okay, thank you. So my question is, what is the main purpose of creating and adjusting journal? entry.
Can you repeat the question?
So my question is, what is the main purpose of creating and adjusting journal entry?
The purpose of adjustment journal.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Can you see here? Their purpose is to ensure that all revenue and expense are recorded in the correct period, ensuring that the financial statements are accurate and in accordance with accounting principle.
Okay, so can you give me a small example and how revenue is recorded in the correct period?
Imagine you have a bakery and you sell cake, this month, but pay for them next month. Using the principle, the income from the cake is recorded this month, not next month.
Okay, I see.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Sister.
Can
Next level question. Putri, can you level up questions from the answers or? When do we have to apply adjustment journal? Masih relevan kan?
Yes.
When? Okay. When do we have to apply adjustment journal?
accounting period, so I just sorry. Before the financial statement are prepared, usually at the end of each month or end of quarter or end of year.
At the end of each month, quarter, or end of year.
Yes, sir.
Why do you have to apply at the end of the year? Why?
For the financial statement are accurate and in accordance with accounting principle.
Sudah jam 12 ya, kita istirahat dulu. Nanti masuk lagi, kita terima 2-3 orang pertanyaannya. Sesuai dengan waktunya. Yang laki-laki ini salah ya, sebelum anaknya bisa. Baik, di close. Yes, di Selamat sampai di sini. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Tanya, banyak sekali pertanyaan. Beradu logika, for example, usually at the end of each month, at the end of quarter, or end of year. Pertanyaan yang menggeleget ya, yang mendalam, serta kaget-kaget. What is the difference? Result. Yes. If I apply adjusting journal at the end of each month and at the end of a quarter. So, what is the difference? Any difference? Ada perbedaan? Okay. Can you answer my question? What is the difference? Or is there any difference? For example, I apply adjusting journal, or I create the adjusting journal at the end of each month or at the end of quarter. Setiap akhir bulan atau setiap 4 bulan, setiap kuartal. Is there any difference? Is there any difference? Different results. Apakah ada beda? If there is a difference, what is the difference? And why is it different? Tidak habis sekaligus. Can you answer my question? Kaget ya? Can you answer my question?
Bisa
Tambah lagi satu. Can you give example?
minta ke pertanyaan ke semua. Minta ke pertanyaan ke semua orang satu.
Coba, can you give example? Can you answer my question?
Contoh apa?
Can repeat the question, sir?
Answer the question. Is there any difference? If I create a adjusting journal, yes, at the end of each month or at the end of a quarter, even at the end of each year. Is there any difference? If there's a difference, what is the difference? And why? Can you give example? Come on, answer the question. Come on. Bukan pertanyaan alat-alat.
Hitung. Macam itu coba.
Adjusting journal at the end of month. Is to make sure that adjusting journal accurate and end of quarter. reduce account work. Contact and of here.
Mengerti pertanyaan ini kan? Mengerti
Yes.
pertanyaan bukan? What is the difference? Can you give example? Kalau ada perbedaan, what is the difference? And can you give example? Saya tunjukkan contohnya di sini.
Contoh lah. Contoh lah.
Come on, explain.
Jelaskan aja.
Adjusting journal, is this adjusting example of adjusting journal of 1 month,
Dari pertama aja.
each month, or a quarter, or at the end of year? Is
Jelaskan
this
kayak tadi.
example?
Jelaskan. Apa dia bilang pakai? Apa dia bilang pakai?
Example of at the end of year. This is because December. Ada yang bisa bantu? Help.
Contoh apa? Contohnya. Example. Tuh saya datang kan?
This example then of year because that is on December 31st.
Oke, saya kembangkan lagi ya. How do I know? How do you explain this is example of adjusting journal at the end of each year? How do you explain this is example?
You can see the date, sir.
So what is the different criteria between example of adjusting journal at the end of each year or a quarter?
Dulu udah jawab.
Hanya berkali-kali dan pertanyaan itu kan kalau Anda tidak bisa bertanya seperti itu, saya curiga. Kalau Anda belajar komentar tentang situ, sambil membuatannya, yes. Ya kan? Oke. Thank you. You now can close.
Okay. Okay, in conclusion, adjusting entries are a mandatory and off-period step of manufacturing companies to ensure accurate financial reporting. Their primary focus is to correct the value is three inventories: raw material, work in process, and finished goods, based on physical count, as well as adjusting general expense account such as purchase and depreciation. The goal is to ensure all revenue and expenses are recorded in the correct period accrual, resulting in the correct cost of goods sold or COGS, and ensuring the balance sheet reflects the true inventory assets. Okay, thank you for your attention, everyone. And I will close my presentation today. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.